Hey Number Crunchers, welcome back to another recipe. I was a former chef and now I'm a stay-at-home dad. I've made the decision to lose some weight and now I'm going to use this high protein flexible diet in my weight loss journey. I've had a lot of fun experimenting with egg whites in particular. Egg whites are packed with protein, they're low in calories, and they are a cornerstone to this diet. So I'm very excited to share this chef inspired meal with you, and so that we can all learn that egg whites are not just for breakfast. Link up on the screen. Tell me what you think in the comments. How am I doing? How are the recipes going? What would you like to see next? I'd love to connect with you in the comments.